Hello friends! Does your car suddenly struggle to start, especially on rough roads or after hitting a bump? If your check engine light is on and your scanner shows code P0317, your crankshaft position system is detecting unexpected vibrations. Ignoring this issue can lead to random misfires, engine stalling, and potential long-term damage. But don't worry. In this video, we'll cover what P0317 means, symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0317? P0317 stands for Rough Road Detection, Misfire Detected. Your car's powertrain control module is using the crankshaft position sensor and anti-lock braking system sensors to monitor misfires caused by road conditions. If your car misfires due to vibrations, potholes, or bumps, this code appears. Common symptoms of P0317. Check engine light on, rough idling and engine vibrations, misfire or hesitation while driving on uneven roads, loss of power or stalling, ABS or traction control. Light on, poor fuel efficiency. If your car jerks, loses power or misfires when driving over rough terrain, this code needs immediate attention. Since P0317 is related to misfires on rough roads, the problem could be in the crankshaft position system, wheel speed sensors, or ignition components. Check these key locations. Crankshaft position sensor, or CKP, is located near the crankshaft pulley or flywheel. It monitors engine speed and misfires. Camshaft position sensor, or CMP, can be found on the cylinder head. It works with the CKP sensor for ignition timing. Wheel speed sensors, also known as ABS sensors, are mounted on each wheel hub or near the brake rotors. They detect vehicle movement and road conditions. Ignition coils and spark plugs are positioned on top of each cylinder. They are essential for smooth combustion. Fuel injectors are located on the intake manifold. They ensure proper fuel delivery. Mass airflow sensor, or MAF, is found between the air filter and throttle body. It maintains the correct air-fuel ratio. Engine mounts are located between the engine and chassis. Damaged mounts can increase vibrations. ABS control module is usually found near the master cylinder or under the dashboard. It processes road data for rough road detection. If any of these components fail or give incorrect signals, the PCM might falsely detect misfires. Let's go over some common causes of P0317. First, a faulty crankshaft position sensor, or CKP, can provide incorrect data, leading to misfire detection. Second, damaged or loose ABS sensors can trick the PCM into thinking there's a misfire. Third, weak ignition coils or spark plugs can cause real misfires, especially on rough roads. Fourth, bad engine mounts can result in excessive vibrations, triggering misfire codes. Fifth, a dirty or faulty MAF sensor can cause an incorrect air-fuel mixture, leading to misfires. Sixth, vacuum leaks in the intake system can result in uncontrolled air intake, causing rough idling. Seventh, low fuel pressure can lead to weak fuel delivery, causing misfires. And finally, worn-out suspension components can result in excessive road shock, potentially triggering false misfire detection. So how do you fix P0317? Here are the steps. Step 1. Scan for additional codes related to ABS, ignition, or fuel systems. Step 2. Inspect and replace a faulty crankshaft position sensor, or CKP. Step 3. Check all ABS wheel speed sensors. Clean or replace any damaged sensors. Step 4. Inspect and replace worn spark plugs or ignition coils. Step 5. Check and replace damaged engine mounts. Step 6. Clean or replace the mass airflow or MAF sensor. Step 7. Check for vacuum leaks and fix any air intake issues. Step 8. Test the fuel pressure regulator and fuel pump for proper fuel delivery. Step 9. Clear the code and test drive the car over different road conditions to confirm the fix. Ignoring P0317 can lead to unnecessary misfire detection, poor performance, and even real engine damage. Fixing it ensures smoother driving, accurate diagnostics, and better fuel efficiency. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0254, Injection Pump Fuel Metering Control, A High Circuit, and P0255, Injection Pump Fuel Metering Control A Intermittent. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.